Okay, everybody, you should be in reading, writing lesson 1. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spin for some letters. So here we go. Let's see if you know what letter this is. What's that letter? Shout it out. You're right, it's S. Let's spin for this letter. Ooh, what letter is that? That is J. So which one of those letters comes first in the alphabet? Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So J comes before S. Let's spin again. And if we get to come back into school in October, you'll get to do this. That letter is what? P. And let's spin this one. This letter is D. Which of those letters comes first in the alphabet? P or D? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So D comes before P. All right, guys, we're going to do some work in our binder. So get your binder ready. You will need crayons, a pencil, scissors, and your glue stick. And you all should have that. So we're going to open our binder, take our ribbon out. We're going to turn past your calendar and you should see Tuesday, September 8th. That's our day. And turn the page. This is a coloring page. Let me turn it around so you can actually see it better. Sure I will, Mrs. Kessler. All right, it says first day of kindergarten. I'm not going to color that with you right now. You can color that yourself. But when you color, remember, you must stay in the lines and you must use correct colors. I don't know any person that has a green face, okay? I don't know any person that has purple hands. You need to choose the correct colors, and you may use colored pencils or crayons. No markers. All right, turn to the next page, and you're going to need to pop this page out. Don't tear it out. You can pop the ends, and mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or whoever you are with can help you. You will need your scissors because we're going to practice cutting. You need to turn the paper so that you can put your thumb on the picture. If you are right-handed, your scissors go in your right hand and your paper goes in your left. If you are left-handed, your paper goes in your right hand and your scissors go in the left. Okay, so you will be doing it, looks like upside down. Now, take a look at how we hold our scissors. We put our thumb in the little hole and your fingers in the big hole. We turn our scissors up like this to cut. So, everybody cut right on the dotted line. Move your thumb, cut. Move your thumb, cut. Move your thumb, cut. And you did it. Now let's try it again. Turn it. Put your thumb on the apple. Cut. Move your thumb, 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 cut. And there you just finished it. Now, those pieces are not going to go back into your binder because they don't have any holes in them. but this one will. See the holes right here? Put that back into your binder so that when you get to come back to school in October, if we do, I will be able to see all the papers that you did. We're going to take the next one out. And this one, we're going to do the same thing, except we have zigzag lines. Put your thumb on the pencil, cut. Move your thumb, cut. Move your thumb. Whenever you need to move your thumb and cut. Oops, can't hold my paper. Move my thumb, cut. Move my thumb, cut. And there, I cut it off. Okay? Do the same thing with the other one. I'm going to try to do it left-handed, but I don't know if I can. All right, I'm going to put my thumb on, and I'm going to cut. Move my thumb. Ooh, I can do it. Not as well. Cut. Gotta cut a little bit more. Okay, I got there. Move my thumb. Cut. See how it's not as easy for Mrs. Kessler to do it with her left hand. Move your thumb. Cut. You always use your hand that you write with. You use the same hand to cut that you write with. And obviously Mrs. Kessler does not use her left hand to write because she can't hardly cut. All right? So those two pieces you don't need. But this one that has the holes in it, this is the one we're going to put back in our binder. Okay? And you're going to close your binder up. Just snap it. Be careful, don't get your fingers in there. And now we are going to do this page. It says, where does it belong? Does it belong at school or not at school? So the first thing we have to do is cut the bottom of the paper on the dotted line. So you're going to cut this out. If it's easier for you to take your paper out, go ahead, but I don't think you really need to. Then we only have one scrap in kindergarten when we cut. See how we cut all the way across there? Now we're going to cut down on the dotted line. We're going to turn. Cut. Move my thumb. Cut. Move my thumb. Cut. Move my thumb. Cut. Turn. Cut. And look, I only have one scrap. That's all I get. I don't have a bunch of little pieces of paper. It makes me crazy. Okay, one scrap. Now, cut all of these things apart on the dotted line. Okay, and grab a glue stick. When we glue in kindergarten, we put glue on the little piece of paper that we're sticking down. I don't put glue all over this. No, 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 no. I take one of my little pictures. This is a desk. Do we find a desk at school or not at school? Did you say at school? You were right. So we turn it over, put a little glue, see that? Just a little, and stick it down. How about an igloo? Is an igloo at school or not at school? Not at school. Take your glue, put it on the little paper, and stick it down. Do I put glue all over this? No, 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 no. Here's a barn. Do we see a barn at school or not at school? Not at school is right. So we put the glue on the little paper and stick it down. How about a book? Do we find a book at school or not at school? We find a book at school. Mrs. Kessler's favorite things are books. So I'm going to stick the book on there. Did you put glue all over? No, 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 no. Here's a dog. Do we find dogs at school or not at school? Well, we don't find them at Mrs. Kessler's school. So I put glue on it and stick it down. And our last one is a pencil. Well, you might find pencils not at school too, but we always will find pencils at school. So we're going to put our pencil at school. Stick it down. Okay? Now, close your glue stick. See that? Close it up. And that's all there is for this Reading Writing Lesson 1 video. So now what you have to do is do the boom cards on this page, and I'll see you when you get your boom cards done for the next video. Toodaloo!